what is up guys, it's Programmer Fan here. I'm back with another video on pet trainers. Yeah, I'm on Discord with someone else who's like right next to me. That's what I'm doing, so. I am going to play, I'm playing pet trainers right now, as you know. Just so you know, I actually have someone else here. I'm gonna let him say something.
How you doing?
Okay, that was the cringiest thing I've ever heard, so never say that again. But other than this cringy kid behind me, really, I'm
Look behind you.
beside me, whatever. Yeah. So today I'm gonna be playing pet trainers, as you already know.
Let's play a game where no one will steal my stuff.
You do realize that it destroyed my recording, and I'm not doing it. So, yeah. So I'm playing pet trainers.
Because I love you guys.
Don't. Please don't. So if you want to, I'm not forcing you. You can go down and hit that subscribe button, like, and turn off the notifications. If you guys want to get notified whenever I do something, do a cringy video, like this one. So yeah. Sorry about the echo with the Discord. It's really annoying. Yeah, know what, James? Can you just turn off the Discord?
No.
Just get off Discord. Close that Discord. He just left again, so he can get off Discord. He'll be back pretty soon.
I'm back now.
I don't think they can do that. But yeah. So really, I'm just going to be playing pet trainers and just trying to get better. I'm gonna grind. James is gonna try and annoy me, but it's not gonna work because I'm just gonna kick. And by the way, shout out to this guy right next to me. I don't know what your channel name is. If you can.
Crazy Monkey 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before the white has break.
Yeah, so Crazy Monkey 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the E.
Crazy Monkey 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before the white, put a 3
instead of the E. Yeah. So it's his channel is Crazy Monkey 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the E
on top.
Oh my God! Stop. I'm explaining it to them in a different way that's really easy to explain. So the E in monkey, in Crazy Monkey 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is it actually a 3? So just keep that in mind when you look at the sound. So really, yeah, I'm just
You don't have to remember that. I'll just
you know what? Yeah, just upload it onto your channel as well. I'll try and get you the recording. Upload it onto your channel, but you can't use my face. Okay. If you want to get yeah, you can record it on your crappy screen recorder. Yeah, don't mind this red thing. I'm just gonna punch that away.
That's my wife.
Yeah, he's cringy. He thinks of red punching bags with wife.
It's my wife.
See, like I said, he's cringy. He's obsessed with unicorns, and yeah, that's
I am obsessed with rainbows.
His Discord server username is Rainicorn. Unicorn is rainbow.
That is not true.
Rainbow.
It's called Rainbow Unicorn.
Oh my.
Because it's a unicorn. That's rainbow.
See that? You know what? I don't know. Sorry. Shut up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just come back to you when this chest is finished, and I'll tell you how much I got. Yeah, so I got around 10,000 from that. Wasn't really worth it. I think I might go back to the next area and grind until I get 20k, and then I'll come back to you so I'm gonna pet. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just got my my pet. Enough to get on it. Oh wow, that's good. Deja vu. I've been in this place before. Higher one was too long overdue. Deja vu. I've been in this place before. Too long overdue. So okay, guys, that will be the end of this video for today. So if you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, comment on my video, comment your Roblox username. I'll friend you, send you the link to the server that I joined, and you can play the game. Okay? And also send me your Discord numbers. Okay? You know that if you have Discord. If you don't have Discord, comment any other way I can contact you or anything like that. Yeah, don't forget to turn those notifications on. Good.